Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. In this video, we will learn how to convert numbers to hours and minutes in Excel. So let's get started. Here we have the employee names and their work hours in decimal. The 8.5 hours stands for 8 hours and 30 minutes. Now we want to convert the work hours into hours and minutes. To do so, go to cell C2, type equal, select the cell B2 and divide it by 24. Now hit enter. This divides the decimal value by 24 and converts it into Excel's time format. Next, right-click on the cell, go to Format Cells. This opens the Format Cells window. From the category, go to Custom. In the Type field, type square bracket H colon mm. Here's a quick suggestion. Always use bracket H instead of plain H if your total time might go over 24 hours. Now click on OK. See, the work hours appear as hours and minutes. Hence, 8.5 is converted into 8 hours and 30 minutes. Use the autofill handle to apply the formula to the remaining cells. In the second method, let's use the text function. The text function lets you change the way a number appears by applying formatting to it with format codes. This converts decimal numbers into a readable way like 8 hours and 30 minutes. Go to cell C2 and apply the formula. As the value argument of the text function, we are dividing cell B2 by 24. As the format text argument of the text function, we are using this number format. This formula divides the number by 24, then formats it as text. The bracket H format ensures that hours continue counting beyond 24. Now hit enter, and that's it. You can see 8.5 is converted as 8 hours and 30 minutes. Now use the autofill feature to apply the formula to the remaining cells. Keep in mind this result is text, not actual time. So you can't use it in further time calculations. You can also separate the values into hours and minutes using the integer and the mod functions. The integer function returns the whole number. In cell C2, type equal integer. As a number argument, select the cell B2 and hit enter. Here we can see 5, that's your hours. The mod function, on the other hand, returns the remainder after the number is divided by the divisor. This takes the decimal part and converts it to minutes. In cell D2, type equal mod. As the number argument, select cell B2, place a comma. As the divisor, type 1, close the parenthesis, and multiply this number by 60. This converts the fractional hours to equivalent minutes. Now hit enter, and you can see 0.25 is converted into 15 minutes. As a result, 5.25 hours is converted into 5 hours and 15 minutes. Now to apply the formula to the rest of the dataset, select cells C2 to D2 and use the autofill feature. This way you have the hours and minutes split separately. And that's it. That's how you can easily convert numbers to hours and minutes in Excel. If you found this helpful, visit excelinsider.com for more tutorials on Excel and Google Sheets. See you in the next video.